Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about Chamet app, and I'm going to show you guys step by step in this tutorial that how I managed to get a mod which generate to me in my app unlimited diamonds. And I'm going to show you that how I find this mod and which steps I follow. So if anyone is interested to do it, just follow what I have done and you're gonna be able to get it also this mod, guys. Okay, so practically I need to mention to you guys that this method is working for the both devices, iOS and Android. I decided to show you today the steps with my iPhone. The same steps are also for the Android users, but right now I cannot show it to you with my Samsung because I'm recording. But if you want me to make a tutorial for the Android users, guys, just let me know in the comments below and I'll do a tutorial also for the Android users with my iPhone, okay, with my Samsung, sorry. So I'm going just to open the app real quick for you guys so you can see it by yourself what I'm talking about, and then I'm going to show you that what you have to do. Okay, I'll just go to my profile here and then balance, and as you can see I'm generating so many of them, and I'll show to you right now that what you have to do if you want to get it also. So before we start the loading process of this mod, guys, all you need to do, you just need to make few changes in the settings if you didn't do it before. If you did it before, there is no need to redo it again. Okay, so all you need to do, you just need to go to your settings, and then you need to scroll it down to the general, and then scroll it down here to background up refresh. Make sure you're gonna select Wi-Fi and mobile data. Why this is important? This is important because the whole process will not interrupt because of internet connection. Like this, you're gonna be double secure because you will be connected with Wi-Fi and mobile data same time. All right, so after you check the first one, you get back to the settings, go down to the battery, and if you are using a lower power mode, you make sure you're gonna switch it off, guys, before. So after you finish the whole process, you can come and switch it on again, lower power mode, if you like to have it active. Okay, so these steps that I showed to you guys right now are required just for the iOS users. For the Android users, there is no need to make any changes in the settings. Okay, so all you need to do is to go straight to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser that you prefer, and you just need to search about this website over here. So this is the name of the site, as you can see here in the corner. You just need to enter on it, and when you enter, you just go to the searching bar and search about the app. Okay, also inside of the website you have a lot of other apps and modded games, so if you're interested for something else, you can check. If you find it, just you can get it without a problem in the same way. So you press in the middle, guys, press download now, and it will start the loading process of the mod. So by the end of this process, you're going to be able to install this mod and generate the diamonds on your app also. Okay, so this is my video tutorial for today, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Cheers.